Mr. Revolver Guy here with DayAtTheRange.com. As you can see, we're back on the range again with the Ranger Point Precision converted 44 Magnum or threaded 44 Magnum. But this time it is mounted with the SilencerCo Osprey. The first time we had it out on the range, it was the SilencerCo Octane. So all the same except for change of suppressor. As you can see how versatile it is. Let's see if we can get a not so shaky close-up. Very versatile, utility-like lever action. Beautiful. Mr. Revolver Guy with DayAtTheRange.com.